My name is Sachin Shridharani. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon on Manhattan's famed Fifth Avenue. My practice's name is Luxurgery, and we epitomize the confluence of luxury and aesthetic surgery. As a board-certified plastic surgeon, I love to spend my days in the operating room. But one of the things I recognize is I have an entirely different demographic of patients who come in that are really looking for some skin suspension but are not interested in having surgery. That's where Silhouette InstaLift has filled a huge void in our entire aesthetic armamentarium. I can use microsuspension technology to just help redrape the skin in a beautiful and elegant way. And this has really filled and bridged the gap between what used to be surgical and non-surgical.
I decided to get the InstaLift treatment because I was very drawn to the idea of something that could make a meaningful difference to the look of my mid-face that wasn't invasive.
So when we were talking through our options, what really seemed to be the best option for her is using Silhouette's InstaLift.
I was a little concerned about the after, but Dr. S was super reassuring about the real downtime.
I guide my patients and tell them to expect the first 24 to 48 hours of noticing some swelling, that slight amount of bruising. Usually by the time we hit day 3 to 5, the lion's share of that swelling is gone and patients are very much socially presentable. Patients love the way they look usually by the time they hit 7 days. By 2 weeks or so, it's like we were never even there and they're really enjoying their new procedure. So Didi, you're back. Looks like we're doing this. I'm really excited for you. The next step is actually going to be just me doing some basic drawings to help guide me to make this outcome look beautiful. When I counsel my patients on how long this procedure is going to take, I tell them to plan on being at the office for anywhere from about an hour to an hour and a half. The procedure itself probably takes me about 30 minutes, but we always like to make sure that our patients are totally comfortable and understand the procedure and the entire process from start to finish. This procedure is done with the patients completely awake. We numb the different port sites, which are the areas that we're going to be either placing a needle in or a needle that's going to be coming out. And across the board, patients find this to be very little discomfort, if any at all. I thought Silhouette's InstaLift was a fantastic treatment modality for her, primarily because we take advantage of microsuspension technology. Now, the beautiful thing about the microsuspension technology in these sutures is that they are really highly biocompatible, which means they're going to dissolve over time. But that dissolving is going to leave behind a lattice for her own collagen to actually build and grow. We've placed all of our sutures, 4 on each side, and now I'm gonna get ready to tighten it and give you that nice lifting effect.
Go ahead, lift away. So funny, it doesn't hurt at all. It just, you feel it getting tight, that's all.
Didi, we're all done. You did amazing. And I'm ready to show you what we've done. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Perfect. All right, so here we are. Already, you can see that everything's lifted. There's a couple of these little dimples that we talked about before are all gonna be gone over the period of the next 24 to 48 hours.
Okay.
We have very little swelling and I don't see a single bruise, so everything is going fantastic.
Great, thank you so much. It's amazing. It's like you put my cheeks back where they were. Okay, so here I am about a week after Silhouette InstaLift, and I'm very happy with the results. No more bruising, no more puckering. I think I just look refreshed. And the best thing is nobody's come up to me and said, oh my goodness, what did you do? You look so different. Because I think the best work is generally the most undetectable work.
Hey Didi, how are you? Lovely to see you.
So it's been about 2 weeks since my Silhouette InstaLift and I feel great. The results are actually better than what I expected. I was nervous about looking too pulled. I think it looks really natural. I'm really happy that I did Silhouette InstaLift. I feel like this treatment bridges the gap perfectly between giving you something that is noticeably different, but not too noticeably different. It helps you look on the outside the way you feel on the inside.